So HSE is really at the core of everything that we do here at Downer. Vitally important that we have the right controls and the right methodologies of how we deliver work so that we can deliver successfully and safely every day. So our vision really acts as almost like the guardian angel or a safety net in the background to help our people make the right decisions on site with real-time information and also prevent harm from occurring as it happens in the workplace. Our vision enables adjustments to be made on site based on data via alerts, predictive analytics and auto risk assessments. As an example, a pedestrian notices a gap in the site fencing and makes a decision to cut through the worksite, breaching the exclusion zone. The mobile AI camera unit detects this and sends a text message to the supervisor. The site supervisor calls a worker at the location to secure the fence and prevent any further potential risk. In this scenario, the temporary speed limit in the closure is 30 km per hour, but the cars are all travelling at higher speeds. When the supervisor is alerted to this, she speaks with a member of the traffic management crew about narrowing the live lane to passively slow speeds through the worksite closure, creating a safer environment for both the members of the public and our crews on site.
So when we talk about eyes for a computer, the analogy for technology is a camera. So typically cameras have traditionally been there just to film what goes on. We haven't really been able to act on what's happening on site. And what the computer vision platform and capability does is it recognizes what's actually going on in the film and video footage, and then it can actually react like a human might.
Computer vision ultimately does not replace good human decision making. It is another tool in the toolbox, and it allows teams to be equipped with additional data to make better decisions.
So the main benefit of sort of this partnership model is really twofold. Downer get a really built-for-purpose, well-designed, scalable site safety system that works for them and maximizes the opportunity. And for a company like Rush, we get the opportunity to build a product that's right for the market, that's tested with a true partner. And for both companies, this pursuit of innovation and how to take an innovation to market is extremely valuable intellectual property and knowledge.
This is really exciting for the construction industry because we've been screaming out for innovation for a long time. And every different innovation that we learn about always unlocks doors to something new. So in using AI in construction to help keep people safe and get people home safe, that's a noble goal, and that's really awesome, but it also opens the door to collecting a whole bunch of other data on site. So in the future, I imagine that we might see cameras all around sites detecting all sorts of information to build a really accurate picture of what's actually happening on our projects. We think there's a potential game changer in being able to increase the safety performance of our projects and to make sure that people get home safe.